The federal government has inaugurated a 40-man committee to develop the national water and hygiene sanitation policy to provide quality water supply for Nigerians. The Minister of Environment, Barrister Mohamed Abdullahi, while inaugurating the committee in Abuja, says poor water hygiene has made many Nigerians vulnerable to outbreak of disease. Abdullahi tasked the members of the committee to embark on aggressive sensitization and enlightenment across the country on the importance of proper water sanitation.
According to the latest data from the Water, Sanitation and Hygiene National Outcome Routine Mapping 2021, only 10% of our population has access to basic water, sanitation and hygiene services. 33% lacks access to basic drinking water services. 55% lacks decent toilets. And 23% practices open defecation. This is worrisome, unacceptable, and therefore the narrative that we must work together change. To reverse this trend, we must rigorously interrogate our progress, challenge our thinking, and scale up our actions. This includes strengthening interministerial, interagency, and intergovernmental collaboration to accelerate change so that other nations do not leave us behind. I would like to remind members of the committee that this is a call to national duty. You have been saddled with a responsibility that, if well done, will transform the lives of our people. You all have been selected to represent your constituencies because we believe in your ability to deliver with a deep sense of patriotism. I urge you to set aside personal and institutional interests and past prejudices and put Nigeria and our citizens first in all your deliberations and debates.
We have several policies, documents, papers, and plans across several ministry, departments, and agencies that are not giving us the kind of result we want in the wash sector to accelerate change and provide service that is sustainable to our people. And it was resolved at some point by three key ministers: health, water resources, and environment, that to do this thing differently, we needed to come together and have a comprehensive policy that everybody can co-create and therefore own and implement, so that we can be more coordinated, we can be harmonized better, plan better, and also use resources more efficiently and effectively.
When you look at SDGs, with 17 goals, with 169 targets, 230 indicators, Goal 6, which is really dealing with water and sanitation, with 8 different targets and 11 indicators, is very critical. It's very critical for all the other SDGs, in the sense that if you cannot achieve the target on water, actually it's going to affect the achievement of target on health, on education, on poverty reduction, on gender equality, and so many other goals on the Sustainable Development Agenda. So actually, to say something that water and health is like trying to underrate the statement, because without having quality and potable drinking water, actually the issue of health is something that will be a problem.
We now see the need to come up with a very, very robust national wash policy. And I believe very strongly with the crop on the team of people on board right now, we will have a very, very good policy. The government cannot wholly fund wash projects in Nigeria, and definitely the private sector is very, very important to ensure that this happens. And the private sector, like any human endeavor, nobody will want to put their money into anything without being sure that they will be able to get their money back. And in order to do that, the proper policy, regulation, framework must be in place that will be able to attract private sector investment and funding.